Imagine a future where artificial intelligence helps protect people by making critical decisions faster, smarter, and more efficiently. This documentary explores fictional future concepts, inspired by today's technology, public research, and creative imagination. Future AI systems could help teams analyze massive amounts of information in real time during emergencies. Advanced drones may support rescue teams by delivering critical supplies where they're needed most. Smart logistics could help essential resources reach communities faster during major emergencies. Artificial intelligence may strengthen cybersecurity by detecting unusual digital activity more quickly. Future satellite networks could provide faster information during natural disasters and large-scale emergencies.
AI may help medical teams coordinate emergency care more efficiently, while people remain in control.
Intelligent transportation systems could improve emergency response and humanitarian support across the country. Could this become the future of national security? A future where AI supports people in protecting lives, responding to disasters, and future satellite systems could provide faster situational awareness during large-scale emergencies.
Artificial intelligence may help emergency teams coordinate safer evacuations before disasters strike.
Smarter logistics could deliver life-saving supplies to affected communities more efficiently. Future AI systems may support medical teams by helping coordinate emergency care more effectively.
Advanced AI could help cybersecurity professionals identify digital threats more quickly, while people make the final decisions.
Connected cities may help emergency services respond faster, when every second counts. Future autonomous systems could support humanitarian missions by reaching difficult locations safely. Tomorrow's defense infrastructure may focus not only on technology, but on protecting lives during every emergency. Imagine a future where intelligent systems help communities become safer, stronger, and more resilient. The future of national security, human expertise, technology, working together to protect. Subscribe to Nextgen Future and explore tomorrow, today. This documentary presents a fictional vision, how AI could support emergency response, logistics, and disaster preparedness by 2050. Human expertise. Subscribe to Nextgen Future, where tomorrow begins today.